coming this way. All that streaking is coming this way. See? Oh, damn, I missed it again.
Oh, wow.
Maybe another one.
I'm staying over here now.
Just for that split moment, because I moved over there and the light happened. You see that? So come on, real hard.
Then be like explosion. Oh, got it too. Lily, go inside then. Oops. I'm going in the other. I'm gonna get a good view of the lightning. Shh. Be quiet, Daisy. Okay, I'm in my room right now. The reason why you don't see the screens because I'm pushing really hard on it. Move. Okay, this is where you will see like big lightning. It started before I took the video. It was like 5 or 6 lightnings and like keep messing with me. Stop.